Okay, we now do the final part of the assembly. There are three parts and the base. The assembly drawing is there in one of the videos which you can check out. So as usual, go to new, standard, create, and then start a sketch. In this one we shall have only two cylinders. So the first dimension is 30 mils, and then we extrude, put 20, which is the length, and then we go to this side, do another circle, and this circle will take that radius, which is the sphere radius, which is 17.5, and twice that one is 35 mils. And then we extrude, and we extrude it by 30, which is the remaining distance to reach the 50. So after we have done that, all we need is to put surface chamfer fillet here. So we'll go up here on the fillet and put a fillet which is 17.5 millimeters on that edge. Click OK, and that drawing is complete. So we save, and then we go to, which you should have done at the beginning anyway. So we save this one as part 4C, round pin, and proceed to the assembly. So that's the end. Bye.